How to add a stroke or a text outline to a text in Canva. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple and a fast way to add a text outline or stroke to a text in Canva, even if you're using the free version of Canva. So without wasting much time, let's jump into it. So after you've opened your Canva application, come to, let's say, Instagram post and start with a blank space, right? Or if you want to edit any template, you can select the template, and after it loads, you can go and enter your text. So I'm going to enter a text like stroke. So I'm going to pick the heading and go to edit. So I'll just enter the text like stroke. Then I'll increase the size of it a little bit, and probably I'll try to play around with the text format, and I'll use italic. After this, I have to make a stroke, right? And a stroke, we are going to use a simple method to do that, right? But before we go ahead and do that, I would like to change the background color from white to a different color. Let's say this. Okay, so I'm also going to change the color of the text to any other color. Let's say this. Okay, so after this, I'm going to make a duplicate of this particular text. So let me do that quickly. I'll tap on duplicate over here, and once I get it duplicated like this, I'll move on to text effects. All right, so from effects over here, I'll tap on hollow. All right, so I'll just have to increase the stroke size to, let's say, 100. After that, I'll go to color and change the color to white. So this is it basically, right? So after this, you can go ahead and merge the two texts like this and start using them. So basically, this is how to add a stroke to a text or text outline in Pixel, and I hope you do find this tutorial helpful. And if you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the thumbs up